Dawk midħla tal-avventura u btajjel f'postijiet etniċi issa jistgħu jgawdu minn titjiriet diretti bejn Malta u Doha li tul ix-xhur tas-sajf se jkunu qed joperaw kuljum. Dan tħabbar mill-linja tal-ajru tal-Qatar it-tnejn filgħodu. F'intervista ma' One News, il-Kap Eżekuttiv ta' Qatar Airways Akbar al Baker qal li din l-estensjoni tas-servizzi tagħhom ġiet wara talbiet fost l-oħrajn minn Maltin li jgħixu l-Awstralja għal konnettività aħjar lejn l-Ewropa.
Malta is at the crossroads between the Middle East and Europe. It was one of the destinations that we wanted to come for quite some time. We also had a lot of pressure from the huge Maltese diaspora that live in Australia and in other parts of our region to operate to their countries. So it was imperative we look at Malta and bring forward actually our operations to Malta.
Al Baker spjega li l-kumpanija tant ħasset li l-estensjoni tagħha għal Malta kienet kruċjali illi ħasset li ma kellix għażla oħra ħlief illi tniedi dawn is-servizzi sentejn qabel iż-żmien. Fl-istess ħin il-kumpanija ridet twessel l-operat tagħha biex taqdi wkoll klijenti mill-Qatar li jfittxu destinazzjoni lussuża għal btajjel tagħhom.
We will be bringing high spending Qatari tourists to come to Malta. We want to promote Malta as a destination from not only our network, but also importantly from Qatar. Qataris like to go for new adventures. They are good spenders. They like to stay in very luxury hotels. So, it will be a two-way street. We will not only benefit Malta, but at the same time boost the tourism industry in your beautiful island.
Minnu fih, Qatar Airways qed toffri titjiriet diretti bejn Malta u Doha kuljum tul ix-xhur tas-sajf. Xi ħaġa li fi kliem il-Kap Eżekuttiv ma ssirx f'kull destinazzjoni ġdida għall-linja tal-ajru.
Normally we don't start daily frequency to new destinations, so you can see the confidence we have in Malta, and hopefully though we will be reducing frequencies during winter when it is a low season here, we will look forward to when we have developed the destination to come with a wide body and also most probably freighter services via Malta to other countries.
Idħol fuq one.com.mt u hemmhekk tista' tara l-programmi kollha li jxandru fuq One permezz ta' One Play.